Hi guys, I am back with another tutorial. It's almost New Year's Eve, which means people are gonna get dressed up and glammed up and going out with their girls and go party. So I wanted to do a quick video on how to do fake lashes. This is a huge request for me from a lot of my clients that ask me how to do it, what's the fastest way to do it, because apparently it's very hard for a lot of people to put lashes on themselves, which I do agree. It takes a little bit of practice. So I wanted to show you guys a quick way that how I do it. And with a little bit of practice, anyone can do it. So I hope you enjoy the video. And I hope you guys have a great and safe new year. Go out, don't drink and drive. Make sure you do an Uber, taxi, Lyft, whatever. But if you like the video, comment, subscribe. I am going to be doing a lot more videos in the new coming year. Hopefully, I do a good job. I'm still learning how to do this. It is takes practice to learn how to do all this stuff. So here it is, how to do some fake lashes. Stay tuned to watch.
As you can tell, I already did one eye for you. We're going to use Ardell Wispies, my favorite lashes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure the fake lashes to your eye to make sure they're not too long. And you're going to go ahead and cut the very end, the outside corner of the lash strip. After that, you're going to add your glue. My favorite glue to use is Duo. And you want to just add enough to cover the band, but not too thick, otherwise it will take forever to dry and it will move around on your eye. 60 to 90 seconds is usually the best time to help it get tacky. The tackier the better, because it will stay right in place when you set it down. So you're going to go ahead with a pair of tweezers and set it right in the middle. And then from the outside corner, set it down. The inner corner, set that down. And then using your tool that comes with the lashes, you want to go ahead and just place it again, using your fingers to double check, squeeze everything together. And there you can tell my lashes were still a little wet, so they were easier to move around. So like I would say 90 seconds, the tackier the better, so those lashes don't move. Using the tweezers, go in and squeeze everything down. Make sure there's no space or anything between your lashes and the fake lashes. These little tools that they give you are really great to use, so don't throw them away. Perfect. So now you're going to go in with a little mascara, and that actually helps push up your real lashes onto the fake lashes and pushes everything up to open up your eye. And the next trick, this is very optional, is just going in with a little black liner and just covering that band so it hides it. So you want to just kind of go in very thin right on top of that band and just cover it with the black liner. You can go as thick as you want depending on the look you're going for, but for something natural, just a quick line. It hides that band. Just double check, push up the lashes, and you guys, that's it. That's how you can get some fake lashes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys have fun this weekend. Have a great day.